I hope you are all doing great. This is Rimpi Shaha and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about a room tour. We went to Bali, Indonesia in 2019 for our honeymoon. So there we stayed in an amazing 5-star property, and the name of that property is Daluman Villa. It is in the Seminayak city of Bali. And it's an 1-bedroom villa with pool and outdoor shower, and I found that villa extremely beautiful and worth for every penny, and it is dead cheap if you compare the prices of Indian hotels. So when we booked, it was around 8,000 plus, but before making this video today I checked online and I found that it is available even at a lesser price, which is around 6,400. So let me give you a quick tour of this villa. Upon entering through the door, you will find some greenery and a concrete pathway which leads to this lounge area, where you will find TV, music system and a couch. And beside the couch you will find this drawer unit, where all the complimentary stuffs kept hidden nicely. Then we have this amazing private pool, and I love this waterfall feature. This whole area is half open and half closed, which gives a nice indoor-outdoor vibe. In front of the pool there is an entryway to the bedroom. As we booked it for our honeymoon, so they decorated it so nicely, and it has queen size bed, 2 bedside tables, then wardrobe and electronic safe for your belongings, a dressing area and a nicely decorated bench. Then at the corner there is a TV, and through that door is your indoor-outdoor bathroom, which has this beautiful bathtub decorated with lots of rose petals, a vanity mirror, a rain shower, and finally a place to do your business. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed watching this room tour, but I want to apologize to you all for this shaky video, because that time we started using the gimbal and we were not used to of it, so that is why it was not that smooth. But yeah, actually this is all I have with me, and I wanted to share the video with you all, because if you're planning your dream Bali vacation, then it may help you to find out a beautiful luxurious villa at a reasonable rate. And I hope that you will shower love as much as you shower in our Maldives water villa video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.